Ranktracker SEO tutorial for beginners, Ranktracker review. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily use Ranktracker for our SEO optimization. So here we are on ranktracker.com. We can easily create a free account and we can try it for free. We have like 7 days free trial. As you can see, there are a lot of different users, a lot of awards, a lot of companies use Ranktracker, so it's pretty cool. If you are going to find how many tools do they have like Ranktracker, keyword filter, SERP checker, web audit, like backlink checker, backlink monitor, SEO checklist, free SERP simulator, so it's pretty cool. And in a few seconds we'll come to our dashboard, but firstly let's figure it out how it works. So Ranktracker provides you with SEO insights you need to bring targeted traffic to your website, research keywords, assess the competition, detect problems and more, all from a single dashboard. So basically we have like Ranktracker here, get an instant overview of your most important SEO metrics. Ranktracker updates daily to monitor how your site visibility and keyword ranking are progressing. So here we can find all the overview of our website. As you can see, visibility, average position, traffic, like SERP features, positions and so on. We can also find like different keywords related to our website. For example, for SpaceX.com it's like SpaceX, SpaceX News, SpaceX Launch, Falcon 9 and so on. Also we can find all the competitors, all the websites which are compete with our website we are going to promote. We can also find like pages, metrics and grossing. So there are a lot of stats we can easily analyze and try to improve to make it easier. Also like grossing, discover keywords, so related keywords. As you can see, we can find the volume, KD, CPC, traffic, position and so on. And also like CEO or PPC saving. So here we are, we can find the total savings we saved for SEO optimization. We can also use like keywords founder when you're planning SEO content. Enter a word into the filter and bring up related keywords. Instantly see which keywords you should use to get the most traffic. So simply all we need to do is just to import keyword, choose country, keyword difficulty score, find the exact search volumes, trends, CPC and PPC competition and keyword list. We'll discover it a little bit later. Also we have like SERP checker, so research SEO opportunities by entering keywords into the SERP checking, instantly see location specific search results and learn whether your site can rank for that keyword. All we need to do is just to import keyword, choose country or language, analyze search results, keyword difficulty score, SERP feature impact, and like we have like 45 plus SEO metrics for the SERP checker. Also we have like website audit. All sorts of technical issues can damage your SEO often without you knowing. Website audit can scan your site and identify any problems that could affect your ranking. So basically it's pretty cool. All we need to do is just to paste our website link and we'll find the report. We can like important fixes, find important fixes, semi-important fixes, crawled pages and compare crawl, so it's pretty cool. And the reports of course create customizable reports to show how your site's ranking has changed over time. Download as a PDF or CSV file or send to colleagues and clients via email. So it's pretty cool to analyze all the progress with SEO optimization. And the dashboard, where we can find the dashboard shows you important SEO metrics like your website position in the search rankings and the amount of traffic you're getting. We can find the domain overview, website audit 2.0, SEO, PPC saving, notifications, SEO checklist, keyword find and reports. So let's jump straight into our dashboard to find how does it look like. So all we need to do is just to click on create free account or sign in, and in a few seconds we'll come to this page here where we have like our own dashboard. And let's have a quick tour. In the left side there is like small menu where we can switch between different instruments. As I already mentioned, dashboard here, Ranktracker, keyword filter, SERP checker, SEO checklist, reporting, website audit, backlink checker and backlink monitor. And also we have like some options here. And if you're going to use Ranktracker, for example, firstly we need to set up new tracking. We need to input our website here. So basically we need to input the domain and also domain or URL. So let it be, for example, nike.com. So let's try to click on next, and we'll find all the information right up here discovered, like for example suggested keywords. As you can see, we can find the competitors if you'll go to the next thing, and also we can find some more information. The same thing in keyword filter finder. If you want to find the keyword, which is pretty cool. I think it's important not only for website optimization, we can also use it to find the video ideas for YouTube or do some other stuff. If you're going to paste, for example, TikTok here, we can easily choose the country. So let it be like United States, for example, maybe United Kingdom. No, let it be United States. Let's click on pick. And we click on search. We can find all the related keywords like TikTok, TikTok download, TikTok downloader, TikTok banning, TikTok bans. We can also switch between key by trend, by volume. So the highest volume is of course for TikTok. Next one is TikTok download, TikTok downloader, and so on. There is also like a lot of stuff we can easily try to rank. So basically we can switch by CPC, PPC, and so on. For example, TikTok banning, we have like $12 cost per click, which is pretty high, I think. So this is the way of how can we interact with CPC settings and so on. So if you're going to discover the paid plans, we can find that we have like starter plan, double data, quad data, and hex data, and the prices are different, like $19 per month, $47, $87, and $167. It's like for the annual billings, and for monthly it's like $24, $59, $109, and $209 per month. So here we can find a lot of differences, as you can see, in a daily tracked keywords, competitors per domain, monthly keywords lookups, keyword suggestions per search, monthly search checks, pages audited monthly, keyword difficulty checks, domains, and users. So as for me, it's pretty cool that they provide us the opportunity to try it for free, and then you can easily decide is it necessary as for you to buy a paid plan. But yeah, basically this is a way of how can we use Ranktracker as a beginner for SEO, like a user. So that's all for this video. I hope guys this video made your life a little bit easier. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.